Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product. Today, we're taking a look at Unity, specifically their UK website found at https://www.unity.co.uk. This platform has become an industry standard, a cornerstone for game developers, and increasingly important for other interactive experiences like architectural visualizations, automotive design, and even film production. It's a powerful engine with a robust ecosystem, and I'm excited to share some of my insights with you. From independent developers to large studios, Unity provides a versatile and comprehensive suite of tools for bringing creative visions to life. Its real-time 3D development platform allows creators to design, develop, and deploy projects across a wide range of platforms, including mobile, console, PC, and VR/AR. The user-friendly interface, coupled with extensive documentation and a vibrant community, makes it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. One of the key advantages of Unity is its cross-platform compatibility. This means you can build your game once and deploy it on multiple platforms, saving valuable time and resources.